Hello class, I am Nazish Haider. Welcome to my channel Nazish Academy. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 measurements. So let's start. Longer, shorter. The pencil on the left side is shorter and the pencil on the right side is longer. Here the ladder on the left side is longer and the ladder on the right side is shorter. Now take the longer. Tell me children, which is the longer in these items? This one. Here, which is the longer? Tell me this one. Now take the shorter. Which rope is shorter? This one. And which stick is shorter? This one. Longest, shortest. The chili on the extreme left is the longest and the chili on the extreme right is the shortest. Now take the longest. Which is longest in this? Tell me. This one. And here, which is the longest cord? This one. Now take the shortest. Which is the shortest here? This one. Taller, shorter. Here the giraffe on the left side is taller and the giraffe on the right side is shorter. Here the man is in sky shirt is taller and is in green shirt is shorter. Take the taller. Which is the taller? Sparrow or goose? Which is? This one, goose. And here cow or calf. Which is the taller? Cow. Now take the shorter. Here, which is the shorter? Dog or puppy? Tell me. Yes, puppy. Which is the shorter? Tell me. This one. Tallest, shortest. The house on the extreme left side is tallest and the house on the extreme right side is shortest. Here the tree on the extreme left is the tallest and the extreme right is the shortest. Take the tallest. Which is the tallest in this? Tell me children, I am waiting. Yes, this one. And take the shortest. Which joker is the shortest? Tell me student. The joker extreme on the left side is shortest. Thicker, thinner. The braid on the left side is thinner and the braid on the right side is thicker. The thread on the left side is thicker and the thread on the right side is thinner. Now take the thicker. Which broom is thicker? On the right side or on the left side? Tell me. Yes, this one. And here, which log is the thicker? On the left side or on the right side? Tell me. This one. Now, take the thinner. Which arrow is the thinner? Tell me children. This one. And now, which rope is the thinner? This one. Thickest, thinnest. Now, take the thickest. Which pencil is the thickest? This one. Now, take the thinnest. Which brush is the thinnest? Tell me. This one. heavier, lighter. Pumpkin is heavier and tomato is the lighter. Here, elephant is heavier and ant is lighter. Now, take the lighter. Which is the lighter, shirt or lock? Which is shirt. Good. And here, the cylinder on the left side is lighter. Take the heavier. Which is the heavier, kite or thread? Tell me. Which is? Good, thread. And here, which is the heavier, dolphin or fish? Dolphin. Heaviest, lightest. 3 watermelon are there. The watermelon on the extreme left is heaviest and on the extreme right is lightest. Now, take the heaviest. Tell me, which is the heaviest? This one. And here, which is the heaviest object? Tell me, this one. Now, take the lightest. Which is the lightest? Tell me, children. This one. Measurement. A girl is measuring her book and she is saying the book is 3 spans long. Spans means the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. And here a boy is measuring his table and he is saying the table is how many spans long? He measured and found that the table is 6 spans long. Trace your friend's hand span here. You have to trace your friend's hand span here. Like this. Measure. A girl is measuring her table and she is saying my table is how many span long? She measured and found that her table is 7 span long. Here a girl is measuring her pencil and she is saying my pencil is how many span long? Then she measured and found that my pencil is 2 span long. Now you have to measure your classroom's blackboard with pencil and tell me in the comment section that how many pencil long is your blackboard. Here she is measuring and saying my classroom blackboard is 12 pencil long. Some pictures are here and these pictures are given in the book. In the first picture, a boy is measuring carpet with his feet and he is saying the carpet is 10 feet long. Here a girl is measuring a mat and she is saying the mat is 6 feet long. And now guess the distance between 2 trees. You have to guess the distance between 2 trees with your feet. I measured it, so it's 7 feet long. So you have to measure and tell me answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I have seen that 18% people are watching my video but they have not subscribed yet. So please subscribe to my channel. It will really motivate me to make more videos for you. Please like, share and comment so that it reaches maximum number of people.